This isn't just a golf cart, it's a collapsing electric beast built for the future. The Kandi collapsible mini golf cart is redefining compact mobility on and off the course. Built with electric power and smart folding design, it delivers smooth performance without sacrificing space or style. Whether you're navigating tight fairways, resort paths, or private communities, this mini beast moves with confidence and control. Its efficient battery system ensures reliable range, while the collapsible frame makes storage and transport incredibly easy. Designed for comfort, convenience, and modern performance, it's more than a golf cart. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Want innovation, portability, and power in one machine? This is the future of personal electric travel.
This isn't a taxi. It's a driverless revolution rolling through the future. Meet the Zoox RoboTaxi, a fully autonomous electric vehicle built to redefine urban transportation. Designed from the ground up for self-driving, it removes the steering wheel and puts AI at the center of every journey. This futuristic ride moves with precision, safety, and seamless navigation through busy city streets. Its bidirectional design and compact shape allow effortless movement in tight urban environments. Inside, passengers experience a smooth, comfortable, and intelligent travel space. No driver, no stress, just pure automation. Zoox is not just a vehicle, it's a vision of tomorrow's mobility, where technology drives you safely, efficiently, and completely hands-free.
This tiny vehicle could completely change city driving. Meet the Midi, an innovative personal electric vehicle designed for compact, efficient, and eco-friendly transportation. With its futuristic microcar design, smooth electric performance, and space-saving structure, the Midi is built perfectly for crowded urban environments. It offers easy maneuverability, simple parking, and impressive energy efficiency while maintaining a comfortable and modern driving experience. Lightweight yet practical, this smart vehicle represents a new generation of personal mobility focused on convenience and sustainability. Whether commuting through busy streets or exploring the city, the Midi delivers a stylish, futuristic solution for modern transportation challenges. This isn't just a microcar, it's a futuristic icon redefining city driving. Meet the Microlino, a compact electric microcar inspired by classic bubble car design and rebuilt for the modern city. This machine delivers big innovation with zero emissions, smooth electric acceleration, and incredible efficiency. Its front-opening door makes access iconic, while the lightweight frame ensures easy parking in the tightest urban spaces. Despite its size, the Microlino offers surprising comfort and smart storage for daily commuting. Perfect for city life, it blends nostalgia with futuristic engineering. This is not just a vehicle, it's a bold statement about sustainable mobility, proving that the future of driving can be small, stylish, and powerful. This isn't a ride, it's a futuristic electric trike built to change urban mobility. Meet the Microetta, a futuristic electric trike built for stability, style, and smart urban mobility. Designed with a unique three-wheel system, it delivers motorcycle-like freedom with car-like balance. Its electric drivetrain offers smooth acceleration, zero emissions, and silent performance perfect for city streets. The compact design makes parking effortless, while the advanced battery system ensures reliable daily range. Whether you're commuting or exploring, Microetta turns every ride into a premium experience. This is not just transport, it's innovation on wheels, blending safety, comfort, and modern engineering into one powerful machine built for the future of urban travel. Drive the future today. What if your daily ride could also be your workout? Meet the Actycle, a futuristic personal vehicle that combines smart mobility with active fitness. Designed for urban commuting, this innovative ride lets users move through the city while staying physically active at the same time. Its compact design, smooth electric assistance, and unique cycling motion create a fun and energy-efficient travel experience unlike anything else on the road. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising around town, or simply looking for a smarter way to travel, the Actycle delivers comfort, movement, and futuristic style in one incredible machine. This is personal transportation reimagined for the modern world.